Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will study ozonolysis reaction, that is formation of aldehydes or ketones. Ozonolysis, it is a cleavage reaction. Ozonolysis is a cleavage reaction in which the double bond between two carbon atoms of the alkene is completely broken, and this alkene molecule, it is converted or broken into smaller molecules. The classical reagent for this reaction used, it is ozone. That is, ozone is used for breaking the carbon-carbon double bond of the alkene. Now, in ozonolysis, this process it is carried out in two stages or in two steps. In first step, there is addition of ozone molecule to the carbon-carbon double bond to form a ozonide. And in the second step, there is hydrolysis of this ozonide in presence of zinc and water, and it gives the cleavage products, which are generally aldehydes or ketones. Now, how this ozonolysis it is carried out? That is process of the ozonolysis. So, in this case, this ozone gas it is generally passed. Ozone gas it is generally passed in the solution of alkene and the solvent, inert solvent like carbon tetrachloride at low temperature. And after completion of reaction, the solvent it is evaporated, and this leaves ozonide as a viscous oil. Generally, these ozonides, these are not isolated because they are explosive in the nature, but they are created with water in presence of zinc as a reducing agent to avoid the further oxidation of the resultant aldehydes and ketones. So here we will write here the general reaction of ozonolysis, that is compound containing carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene. It reacts with ozone, and in first step we get this intermediate which is called as ozonide, and this ozonide on hydrolysis in presence of zinc and water, here these bonds are broken in this manner. Ozonide is formed here, and here actually here these bonds are broken, so that you will get the carbonyl compounds, that is either aldehyde or ketone is obtained. Either aldehyde or ketone is obtained as the product in this reaction. Now we will see some examples for this. Number one, if we take ethylene. So ethylene, it reacts with ozone, and first it forms a ozonide intermediate. Ozonide intermediate, which on further hydrolysis in presence of H2O and zinc on further hydrolysis in presence of H2O on and zinc. Here you will get these two compounds, that is, which are formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, it is obtained as the products, cleavage products in this reaction. Now, if we take example of propene, so this is the another example. So this on treatment with ozone, it first gives this intermediate, that is ozonite, and which on further hydrolysis with zinc, it gives CH3 CH double bond O plus O double bond CH2. So this is first product, it is called as acetaldehyde, and second product, that is formaldehyde. That is mixture of acetaldehyde and formaldehyde is obtained as the cleavage product. Now we will take another example, third example. Number 3. CH3 CCH3 double bond CH3. So this is 2-methyl 2-butene. So this on treatment with ozone, this also gives the intermediate, that is called as ozonide intermediate. This on hydrolysis in presence of zinc and water, this gives these two products. That is, first is acetone and second one, that is acetaldehyde. So in this way, we can carry out this ozonolysis reaction by using variety of alkenes, and here cleavage products, these are either aldehydes or ketones. So here, this is the only reaction in which the carbon-carbon bond of alkene, it is completely broken, and therefore ozonolysis is used for the location of position of the double bond in the alkene. So this reaction, it has importance in the determination of structure determination of the organic compounds. Okay, thank you.